Dun, 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 dun. Yo, it's Zam here. So today we've been playing Animal Hospital. So I'm trying to play alone. No, that one's full. Come on, why is they all full? Chop chop. Oh, that one's empty. Oh no, it's not anymore. Oh, that one's empty. In the middle. Yes. Oh no, people in it. God. Yeah, I'm alone. No. Hopefully this girl isn't an idiot and is actually good at playing. Alright, let's go. Alright, waiting for players. Chop chop. Hopefully that girl isn't an idiot. Alright, gotta get what do I do? Alright, well, I've played this before. What am I talking about? Gotta get the coffee before she gets it. Right. Don't gotta drink it yet though. Where's everybody? Where is everybody? Alright, there, alright. Oh my god, move. Sup, I'm Zoe Fox. You don't look like a fox. I'm here for my appointment. Alright. Check photo. Normal. Computer. Print. And give it to her. Boom. Alright, you'll be in room 1. What is she doing? What's that weird girl doing? The hell? I'm gonna go check on her. Because it told me to. Follow the patient into their room. Alright, come in. Take the DNA. Put it in the box. Wait a bit. Beep. 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 Gotta see what she's got. Right, just need herbs. Why is everyone the first patient always just needs herbs? The hell? Boom. Alright. Boom shakalaka. Gotta go. Oh, she actually did something? That weird girl? Nice. Right, anyone else? Good, the girl left, finally. Right, anyone else? Why is it treat another patient? The hell? I don't want to treat another patient. I want to man the thing because this is boring. Right, take the sample, put it in the box. So boring. Being at like the front is much better. Right, computer. What do you need, ma'am? Oh, man, I don't know. You can't really tell the difference. Eye drops. I still have the coffee. Right, you can leave now. The doctor has arrived. Oh, God. This is boring when the doctor has arrived. Still shift 1. Oh, my God. Why are they so long? No. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Something. Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. That doesn't seem like good advice. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Thank you. We are doing just fine without them. Boom. Right, shift report. Patients treated 2,000. Excellent. $63. Oh yeah, and I'm the best. Alright. So, I'm the best. Hello, mate. Oh, shift 2. Good. I have an appointment. For what? Check photo. Whatever. She looks normal. Computer. Print. Right. Go, lady, go. We don't need you anymore. I'll be in room 3. Nice. But I don't care. Anyone else? Check. Oh, hell no. Close the damn door. Hopefully that girl doesn't... This is outrageous. Hopefully that girl doesn't actually open the gates. Good. Good, she didn't open them. Right. Anyone else? Anyone new? Oh, this guy. I'm not giving him his coffee. I'm just drinking mine. And unless she gives him her coffee, he is not gonna leave. So I'm just gonna treat the patients quickly. One patient, right? Hello, mate. DNA sample, put in the box. Wee, whoop, 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 whoop. Right. Chop. So slow. Check the computer. What does she need? And what does she need? Eye drops. Why do you have to come to a hospital for eye drops? The hell? It's not like a... Wait, I think she also needs the red box. Oh my god. Meh, whatever. Give it to her later. How are you doing, mate? Horribly. Close the door. We can't give him coffee. You ain't got any. Why do you keep opening it? We can't do anything without... He's not gonna walk away if you don't give him coffee. What the hell? No, stop opening the damn thing. He wants coffee. No, leave. Oh my god. Yeah, close the door, Julian. Come on, leave already. Alright, he left. Good. Alright, you idiot. It's freezing in here. Well, we can't help you. What do you mean? Wait, why is that lady still in there? Oh yeah, I didn't give her the red box. Oh my god. give her the red box. Here you go, mate. Someone new. Check the computer, print, and yeah, give it to her. I'll be in room 4. Right? Be in room 4. Alright. Go to the how do you spell patience? Patience. No, not patience. Patience? Is that how you say? I don't know. Hello, my name is Noah Hayashi. I want to check in as a patient, right? The heel in his foot looks normal. Oh, what the hell? Someone's banging his head. Man, he doesn't do anything anyways. He just breaks the glass but does nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'll be in room 5. Hello, mate. What you doing? You know this hospital's free. You don't have to bang on the door, on the window. Just go to the hospital. We'll let you through. Definitely. Hopefully this girl doesn't try to close the damn window. She closed the damn windows. Oh my god, he's not gonna do anything. And no one's gonna see you person like that. Because you're just sitting there, not coming up. How can I help you? Oh, I can't. Idiot. Right, gotta get out of here. Gotta save these patients. Coming. Take blood. Oh, DNA, but the same thing. Put it in the box. Wait for the box to charge or something. I don't know what it's doing. Process. Don't look up. Oh yeah, the meat thing's up there, I guess. Oh god, it's leaking white stuff and no, it's not leaking white. What the hell? Pause. He needs the white thing, and then he also needs the maple syrup. Or she, I don't know. Well, how does maple syrup help? Isn't it like a sweet sugary thing? How would that help? Right, whatever. Now you. Why is there also the meat things up there? Put it in the box and we wait. Why is the meat thing even appear? What the hell? Right. He needs the white thing too. What's that white thing? Everyone needs it for some reason. Right, whatever. Do we need anything else? No, just one thing. Right. Be gone. The doctor is arriving. What is he coming for? Oh god, him again. Pretty sure he's gonna open like the shop or something. But it's kind of useless unless it has the taser. So. Stop closing the door, you idiot. I'm trying to look at him. Well, stop that, you idiot sandwich. Right, the thing's open. Let's check. You go out. Actually, I'm going to check if the taser's there. Patient 3000, good. And am I the best? Yep, the best. No taser. Whatever. Oh yeah, that dude's not good. Hopefully that girl doesn't open the thing. Close the door. Come on, leave already, leave. No, well, she's an idiot. Oh my god. What the hell? What? No service? But get out. You're not even an animal. Oh, this weird mimic thing. She here? She's still here. Why won't she just leave? Hello, my name is Cookie Nook. I want to check in as a patient, right? Computer, print, chop. Thank you. I will be in room number 1. Lim, I'm here for my appointment. Right, Dr. Lim, whatever your name is. Why are you? I mean, doctors still have to go to the hospital sometimes. Oh my god. Alright, mister. Do the computer thing. Print it out. Register. Alright, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye!